Hello there, guys and girls. Good midnight to each every one of you. Yeah, no, it's not an ice cream. It's not a merengue. Can you guess? What are this? And there's another one in here. Hmm, so fascinating and some kind of a cute. It's a mushroom, guys and girls. But I just don't know what kind of mushroom is this. See that? Do you think it's gonna be eaten? Mhm. Lovely. What a wonderful creations of God, right? So amazing. Hi, mushroom. Mushroom. I love mushroom, guys and girls, especially putting on pastas. Bye for now.